Have you ever wondered what happens when one of the world's toughest SUVs gets a complete modern makeover? Well, the wait is finally over because the all-new 2027 Ford Everest has arrived, and it's bringing a bold new design, upgraded technology, and even more capability than ever before. Whether you're planning family road trips, tackling rough off-road trails, or simply looking for a premium SUV that stands out from the crowd, the new Everest is ready to impress. Let's dive in and see what makes this latest generation such an exciting SUV. The first thing you'll notice is the aggressive new front-end styling. Ford has given the 2027 Everest a more commanding appearance with a larger grille, redesigned LED matrix headlights, and a muscular front bumper that instantly gives it a stronger road presence. The sculpted hood adds a premium touch, while the wider stance makes the SUV look more planted and confident. Moving along the sides, the Everest features sharper body lines, larger alloy wheels ranging up to 21 inches, and redesigned wheel arches that emphasize its rugged personality. New color options and black exterior accents on higher trims create a sporty appearance without sacrificing elegance. Around the back, redesigned LED taillights stretch further across the tailgate, while the updated rear bumper and integrated spoiler complete the modern design. Despite its bold styling, practicality remains a priority. The higher ground clearance, improved approach and departure angles, roof rails, an available power tailgate make the Everest just as functional as it is attractive. Whether you're heading into the city or exploring remote trails, this SUV looks ready for any adventure. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the significant improvements in quality and technology. The cabin feels more luxurious thanks to premium soft touch materials, upgraded leather seating, and improved fit and finish throughout. The dashboard is dominated by a massive vertical touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with faster software and improved voice controls. In front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster that provides customizable information, including navigation, vehicle data, and off-road settings. Multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a premium sound system ensure every passenger stays connected and entertained. Comfort has also been improved with larger front seats featuring heating, ventilation, and power adjustments on higher trims. The second row passengers benefit from increased legroom, while the third row remains practical for children or shorter trips. Folding both rear rows creates a huge cargo area capable of carrying everything from camping equipment to large luggage. Under the hood, the 2027 Ford Everest is expected to offer multiple engine choices depending on the market. The popular 2.0, later to be turbo diesel, continues to provide an excellent balance of efficiency and torque, while the powerful 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel delivers impressive towing capability and effortless highway performance. Ford may also introduce a new hybrid powertrain, combining better fuel economy with additional low-end torque for both city driving and off-road adventures. Power is delivered through a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission paired with either rear-wheel drive or Ford's advanced intelligent four-wheel drive system. Drivers can choose from multiple terrain management modes designed for sand, mud, snow, rock, and gravel, allowing the Everest to adapt confidently to changing conditions. The suspension has also been refined for a smoother ride without compromising durability. Whether cruising on highways or navigating rough mountain trails, the Everest delivers impressive comfort, stability, and confidence behind the wheel. Advanced safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system, making every journey safer and less stressful. As for pricing, the 2027 Ford Everest is expected to start at around $48,000 for entry-level models, while fully equipped Platinum and V6 variants could exceed $70,000 to $1,000 depending on options and market availability. Although pricing varies by region, buyers will receive a well-equipped SUV that combines premium comfort, advanced technology, strong performance, and legendary durability. The new 2027 Ford Everest proves that you don't have to choose between luxury and capability. It offers rugged off-road performance, a refined interior, cutting-edge technology, and bold styling in one complete package. If you're searching for an SUV that can handle weekday commutes, weekend adventures, and everything in between, the new Everest deserves a place at the top of your list. Let us know what you think about the 2027 Ford Everest, and don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews.